As we are still in the times of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has stated that the best way to reduce the spread of COVID-19 is to limit social contact. With more countries easing restrictions, the chances of interaction among large groups increase significantly, especially at public venues such as bus stops and eateries. An effective way to limit the spread of the COVID-19 virus is through social distancing. Therefore, it will be useful if the public is able to find out the crowd situation at a certain location in advance. The crowd condition can be monitored through a device-free or device-based approach. Using the device-free approach, CCTV or wireless sensors can be set up. However, such measures require costly infrastructure expenses. With the device-based approaches, applications such as Google Maps rely on the mobile devices of users to estimate the crowdedness of an area. However, with the growing privacy concerns, users may no longer be as willing to share the data. Using the Nanyang Technological University campus as a testbed, we develop a website known as Crowded SG to assist users with finding out information on how crowded a place is. The aim of this website is to allow users to make informed decisions when planning their trips to various locations and to help users to avoid crowded places. Users can rely on the application in scenarios when they are rushing for their lectures and wants a quick bite. Using the application, it will provide users with information necessary to allow them to make a decision in getting their meals from the store that contains the least amount of visitors. Alternatively, users can search for the exact location by name via the search bar, and users will be able to see how many people there are at that intended location along with a picture of how crowded a place is. Upvotes and downvotes are also implemented to the system, whereby pictures having high number of downvotes will be removed. To gather data for our website, drones are being deployed to capture videos of walkways and bus stops. Users are also encouraged to upload pictures of places that they visited to Crowded SG, which then uses artificial intelligence to analyze how crowded a place is. Information regarding the number of people that are being detected in the pictures uploaded can be seen by clicking the circle markers around the navigation map. Pictures shown are intentionally blurred so as to protect the privacy of the public. In the case where there are no live data provided by users, our platform shows an estimate of the number of visitors at that location. Using historical data, the estimation is also used to generate a bar graph of the crowd data for the day and a heat map that can be viewed upon pressing the toggle button so that users can view the number of visitors at different time slots on the day itself or throughout the week. In this way, users can plan for their visit to a place when it is less crowded. When user uploads an image to Crowded SG, the image is passed through the web server before being processed by the vision module in the AI engine. The live crowd count given by the vision module is then stored in MongoDB, and the data are used for training in the prediction module using the open-source Facebook forecasting library called Prophet. In turn, the web server fetches the live crowd count and the predicted crowd data from MongoDB and historical data from Google Places API to show as information to the users. The vision module seen in this architecture uses a hybrid approach by combining Mask RCNN, an object detection model, and CSRNet, a density estimation method, into a single workflow. In an event when there are no images being uploaded to Crowded SG, the Prophet model will be ran with inputs, day of the week, hour and location to predict the number of visitors that is estimated to be at that location at that point in time. To evaluate our model, a dataset is collected over a period of 4 weeks, with hourly data of visitors at locations McDonald's and Pioneer Canteen in NTU. Pictures of the crowd are taken from NTU webcams and from an iPhone, and an automated pipeline is created to process the images using our vision module to obtain the crowd counts. The dataset is then manually curated for any image that has poor detections results, and the counts are corrected before being stored together with location, time and day of week information. The prediction module is then able to forecast future trends of visitors count with good accuracy. Lastly, there are still works in the making to improve crowded SG. We will incorporate a reward system to incentivize users to upload photos more frequently to the platform. Together we can make use of technology to tide us through this tough times and lead us to a better future ahead.